Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video. So today we're gonna look at a screen recorder called Screen Capture. This is not an offline screen recorder, this is an online screen recorder. So without any further ado, let's get started. As usual, I'm gonna just search for Screen Capture and there you go. Here it is, screencapture.com. This is the free online screen recorders website. I'm just gonna click here. All right, this is the website for screencapture.com, and we've got options to record our microphone, sound, webcam with watermark in the free version. Okay, so you do get a pro version. All right, we do have a desktop screen recorder. We'll try it out later, but first we'll start the recording with the online screen recorder. So I just click on start recording here. It just lets me to select a window or a Chrome tab or the entire screen. So I'm just gonna choose the entire screen and click on share. So as you can see, the recording is in progress. So everything that happens is through the internet. So you don't get to actually record offline for this version. So I'm just gonna quickly click on stop recording here. So we've got a recording. All right, so here we've got option to download, and you could also have a new recording. I'm just gonna click on download. There you go, I have this video downloaded. Now let me check the quality of the video. All right, the quality is good. So we do have a watermark here recorded on screencapture.com. Of course, this comes in the free version, which is inevitable. All right, now having said that, I'll go back to the website and go to the home page. Now I'm just gonna click on go to the desktop screen recorder here, and I'm gonna click on get app. Oh, it redirects me to the Movavi screen recorder. We have already reviewed Movavi screen recorder, so I don't think we have to talk about this recorder once again. So if you guys want to check out the video on Movavi screen recorder, please click on the info button on the top and you can check out that video too. So here, as you can see, my webcam is not enabled, my microphone is also not enabled. To enable that, I'm gonna stop this recording. I'm not gonna save this recording, so I'm just gonna click on new record and I'll enable microphone and webcam here and click on the start recording option here, and I'm gonna click on share, and it actually asks me to use my microphone. I just allow it. Again, I'm gonna allow it to use my camera. All right, got it. So recording is in progress, and as you can see at the bottom left corner, I have my video here coming in the feed. All right, so I just click on stop recording. There you go.
All right, got it. So recording is in progress, and as you can see at the bottom left corner, I have my video here.
Okay, the video quality is pretty much good. If you want, you can actually download it here and you can share it. You can save these recordings in any format, AVI, MOV, MKV, because there are other screen capture screen recorders which don't allow you to actually download in different formats. Okay, so this is fantastic. My favorite, however, is PepperCloud online screen recorder, and this is a video that I have done in PepperCloud. So I can actually edit this video, trim this video, I can add call to actions, and I can even change the thumbnail of this video, all this in one place. And as you can see on the top right, we have an option to download, and we do have an option to copy the link as well. So we can just share this link, and you don't have to download the video and actually send it to the other person. You can just copy the link and send it over to them, and they can actually stream it by clicking on the link. So this is fantastic, guys. So that's why I like PepperCloud, and I suggest that you check it out too. I have the link in the description. Please check it out, guys. So having said that, I'm not sure how much time does this screencapture.com allows me to record the screen. Is there any time limit? That's one of the questions that intrigues me. So I'm just gonna search screencapture.com, screen recording time limit. So as you can see here, there is no time limit for recording the screen. So that's fantastic, guys. You can record your screen for how many ever hours you need. But the only catch is, as you can see here, there is a watermark that is there on the free version. But if you go for a pro version, of course, you could eliminate the watermark, which is fantastic. The video quality is good. Could have done some improvements in terms of webcam size. We could actually it would be wonderful if the app actually allowed us to change the dimension of the webcam and move it to different locations. So there is much work to be done in this area, but still it's a decent screen recorder, and I think this will be very useful for beginners. So having said that, I'm gonna end this video with this note. Thank you guys for supporting me and watching my videos continuously. I'm gonna post a lot of screen recorder videos in the future, so please support me and support my channel. If you have any queries, or if you want me to review a particular screen recorder, please drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do so. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.